Hey guys, Angie here. Today I'm going to tell you about my Kruggo hand weed puller rake. I bought this because, as you can see, my flower bed has gotten a little bit out of hand over here and I have a big uptake of grass. So what I wanted to do was to be able to get the weeds out with a quick little rake and not have to hand pull all of these, and also at the same time be able to aerate the soil. So what this is going to do with these little prongs here, this is actually going to go in and grab the roots, clear that area, but also because of the way this is shaped and angled, it's going to get in there and rake that dirt up as well. These little crevices here, the little curves, are designed to get into like a rock border, to get into tight spaces and corners. So you can actually kind of go in there and hook that weed and pull that weed out. Now this is a very lightweight tool. It sits in my hand very well, and the way that it's designed, you're able to get up underneath the grass or the weeds and pull those out very easily. This is not heavy at all. It's very lightweight, but it still is an effective tool. Let's clear this little area here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And you can see there, it just grabs them by the roots and it pulled all this grass right on out of the ground. You can see all the roots here, all the grass is pulled out. It's a very effective tool. It was a very quick clear, and these are just some scraps of grass that are just still laying on the surface. I'm not having to go in and pull these out or anything like that, and that job is finished. Just go back, clear out some scraps, and you're good to go. It's a very quick, effective tool, and I absolutely would recommend it.